Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden. I am so happy that you've joined me. Today we're going to make some shabby Victorian tags, but first let's do our shout out to Joyce, Ricky, Shelley, Pam, Nancy, Johannes, and Sue. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, you guys, we are going to make these really pretty shabby Victorian tags, and you're going to need yourself some cardstock and some real pretty paper that's kind of on that Victorian shabby theme. And you want to back your cardstock front and back because we are going to make a tag. And I have done that with these right here. This is what mine looks like, just like this. And there's the back of this one. Actually, it has a song and it says happy. I thought that was so cute. All right, and I sewed around with some off-white thread. So you're going to get your scraps of your lace and your tattered material, and we're just going to start layering up. So first we're going to you're going to first select a piece that's going to go on the bottom, and I suggest that you use something that, well, you can't even see what we're doing here, that's a little heavier in weight so that it goes on the bottom. It just will look a little better, and you do not have to go all the way across the tag. In fact, mine does not, as you can see here. That way you can actually see the stitching around the tag if you have so chosen to stitch. And we're just going to layer. I'm going to get my scissors here. Just going to layer this up, and it really turns out quite beautiful. You can make more than one layer like I'm going to do right here on this. I'm going to put this one here like so, and then I am going to place another bead of fabric tack down. And I'm going to find something else here that I like. This one here. I kind of like that one. I'm going to put that one right on top. There really isn't a lot of thought. You just layer it up just however you would like. And I really think it turns out beautiful. I'm just looking in my stash here to see what's next. I think I would like this one next. There we go. Give that just a little clip. See, it's not even even there. It's cut a little crooked, the lace. That's okay. It really is okay. And just continue on layering. Here's a pink one. Let's do a little bit of a pink one. I'm going to push it up just a little bit, that glue. I'm going to cut this here, just like that. Okay, can you see how that's looking? Oh my goodness, that's so pretty, I think. I think that's just beautiful. Okay, so how about, keep getting glue on my fingers. What's new with that, right? Us crafters always have glue on our hands. I'm looking back in my scraps. I'm thinking I want something creamy again. Yes, I like this one. There we go. And it's getting narrower up here at the top. So I'm going to find myself some that is not quite as long. My little scraps that aren't quite as long. I think maybe one more, and then I can put my topper on it. How about that pretty white one? Oh, I love that. All right, let's go ahead and finish off the top. I made these little flowers earlier. If you guys are interested in how I made these flowers, just put a comment down below and I'll do a video on how I made these. So these flowers, the inspiration came from Christine's attic, I believe she calls her thing, and she got that idea from Roxy's Creations, Roxy, and so I think that's where it all came from. So if you're interested, just let me know, and I will show you. Be happy to show you. I'm looking for how I want to finish this off. I think I want to use those little flowers that I made, and I think I want to use this. Maybe something like this. Which flower do I want? There's this one. You can't even see what I'm doing here. Sorry about that. This one, or there's this one. Oh, that's pretty. Or there's this one. I think it's this one's talking to me. And I don't know, do I want it to be that color? Or do I want it to be something like this? Get those strings off of there before they get glued on. We don't want those glued on. There we go. Let's see. Or maybe something like this, because of the flower is the same color as that. That's pretty. Oh, decisions, decisions. What do I want to do? There's this. Now this I think is going to be the same color again. Well, I'm leaning towards this one, but I think maybe folding it might be kind of thick. Well, maybe we could just leave it singly. You know what I mean, just single and not like a tag like that, and just glue that down on there like this. Oh, that's just yummy, guys, just yummy. Okay, well, or maybe, how about if we go this way and then put it there? Oh, I kind of like that'll leave it a little better. This needs to be cut just a little smaller, and if we just hook it up there, that kind of looks like a crown. Do we want it on that way? Or do we, actually I like it better just without the flower. Maybe not so high up, maybe a little lower. Okay, I don't know which side to put it. They're both pretty. They're both pretty. So this way or this way? Maybe this way. And I'm going to put it up high like this. And then I'm going to put this. I'm going to actually glue some of the petals. So these were sewn, and they have seed beads inside. I'm going to put it down lower, maybe like this. So it does not matter if this flower gets smashed or anything. You guys, I think it turned out yummy. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to join me in my next video. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye now.